今天接着昨天继续学习erlang。昨天学了这个 SQL 是 program 线性编程、迅速编程。今天学 concurrency 并发编程，看样子很少。所有的操作系统都有 shell。这个昨天已经看了。这个 SQL 是，也是 SQL 是 concurrency。processes. One of the main reasons of using erlang instead of other functional languages is Erlang's ability to handle concurrency and distributed programming. Erlang 有能力去了这个并发和分布式的这种编程方式。By concurrency is meant programs that can handle several threads of execution at the same time. For example, modern operating systems allow you to use a word processor, a spreadsheet, a mail client, and a print job all running at the same time. Each processor in the system is probably only handle one thread or job at a time, but it swaps between the jobs at such a rate that it gives the illusion of running them all at the same time. It's easy to create parallel threads of execution in an Erlang program and to allow these threads to communicate with each other. In Erlang, each thread of execution is called a process. 这是 Erlang 中的 process。Process is usually used when the threads of execution share no data with each other at the term thread when they share data in some way. Threads of execution in Erlang share no data. That's why they are called processes. 所以在操作系统中 process 指的是是这些执行的程序小单位之间没有共享数据，而 thread 其他的thread 指的是共享了数据的。In Erlang BIF built-in function, spare is used to create a new process model, exported function, list of arguments. Consider the following model: tut 14 export 了这个 start 不接受参数的和 say hello 接受两个参数的say something what 和 zero down say something what 和 times 是此数，还有点 format， 然后 这个是什么意思 ？What say something， 然后 what times 减1实际上是用了这个，这实际上也还是叫了个递归函数吧。start， 然后18 total 14 say something， 第一个 say hello say 了3次，第二个 say goodbye say 了3次，然后 say something。编写式子去。model tutor 14 export 2个函数，这个 start 不接受参数，另一个 say something 接受2个参数的，然后 say something say what 接受2个参数，然后当，然后 say something what， 然后 say 的次数，还有点 format， 转移批写what， 然后 say something what times 减1 start。18 tut 14，这是模块名称，模块中的函数名称，然后参数模块名称，模块中的参数名称。模块的参数，这个模块就完成了。我们tut 14 2了，然后打开控制台。documents compile tut 14，打开2的 shell， compile tut 14， 的 format function say something to undefined。修改一下我们的程序。 done。format ZX error before.哪里错了呢 ？Say some, see what times还有调用的话要用冒号，还有 format。重新编译。What is unused？ 所以我们再执行一下 tilt 14， say some see hello 塞上3次 hello done， 然后say something writes its first argument to numbers times function start 启动了2个 error 进程，一个输出 hello， 另一个输出 goodbye。所有的进程都用的是 function say something。Notice what a function. Notice that a function used in this way by spare to start a process must be exported from the model that is export at the start of model. 所以用了导出还是tilt 14 note 被 spare 用的函数必须在导出模块中。它执行的 hello goodbye， 这是什么 hello goodbye tilt 14 start hello by 0.016.0 hello by spare returns a process identifier or PID which uniquely identifies the process. So 0.0.0.63.0 is a PID of spare function called above. The next example shows how to use PIDs. 那后面这个为什么没有显示 PID？Notice also 这个波浪线 P is used instead of 波浪线 W in IO format to quote the manner。 查阅手册后发现波浪线 P writes the date with standard syntax in the same way as 波浪线 W, but breaks term whose printed The intention is longer than one line into many lines, and indents each line sensibly. It also tries to detect lists of printable characters and to output these as strings. 波浪写皮可以把 lists 显示成 string， 而且和 W 相同，但是打破了这个表示规则。修改一下这个 tut， 然后再写个 down。compile down。Hello by down, hello by down, hello by hello by down。也不知道哪个 PID。还有 message packing， 它们之间通讯的话，可以用这个消息传进message passing。看一下 message packing。Message passing model tut 15 export start 0 pins 2 pound 0， 然后pin PID pin 这样子 pin 它的 PID， 然后 start 的时候，我们先获取它的PID， 但是 spare tut 15， 然后然后 spare tut 15， 然后 pin 然后tut 15。pin 在连次 pin 的时候，就是 PID， 然后发个消息 finished， 然后 I'll format pin finished。 ID 发上个消息的话，参数的话是 pin self receive。得到消息之后，我们就胖的话。IO 冒号 format pin received 胖 height 和pin 下一次胖。胖的话，receive 得到消息 finished 得到消息 finished 之后的话就 format 胖finished 然后 pin ID format 胖 received pin好给他pin ID 发了个胖消息，胖编译一下。Tut show start pin received 胖 received pin received 胖 received pin received 胖 pin finished 胖 finished 就是这样。Starts first creates a process. Let's call it 胖。然后 this process executes palm their palm ID is the process identifier of palm process. The function starts now creates another pin. 然后executes is returned from the start function. Process 这 palm 的话就 receive construct is used to hello processes wait for message from other processes. It has the following format: pattern 1, pattern 2, pattern n. 所以现在的 patterns finished. Notice there is no before end. Message between error process is a simple valid error terms. That's they can be list tuples. Integers, items, PIDs, and so on. Each process has its own input queen and for message it receives. New messages received are put at the head of the queen. When a process executes a receive, the first message in the queen is matched against the first pattern in the receive. If this matches, the message is removed from the queen and the action corresponding to the pattern are executed. However, if the first pattern does not match, the second pattern is tested. If this matches, the message removed from the queen and the actions corresponding to the second pattern are executed. If the second pattern does not, the third is tried, and so on, until there is no more patterns to test. If there are no more patterns to test, the first message is kept in the queen, and the second message is tried instead. If this matches any pattern, the appropriate option are executed and the second message is removed from the queen, keeping the first message and any other message in the queen. If the second message does not match, the third message is tried, and so on until the head of the queen is reached. If the head of the queen is reached, the process blocks 指的是 stop execution and waits until a new message is received and this procedure is repeated. The error implementation is clever and minimizes the number of times each message is tested against the pattern in each receive. Now back to the ping-pong example. Pong is waiting for a message. If the item finished received, Pong writes Pong finished to the output, and as it has nothing more to do, terminates. If it receives a message with the format, it writes receiving pin to the second and send the item Pong to the process pin. Notice how the operator getter is used to send message. The syntax is that's message ident PID. Message process with identify PID. After sending message Pong to the pin calls Pong function, which calls it get back to receive and wait for another message. Now let's look at the process pin. Recall it start execution. Look at the function pin 2. The second calls executes. self returns the PID of the process that executes self. In this case, PID of Xin. Register the process names. Above pawn was first created to be able to give the available pawn. Thus, in some way, Ping must be able to know the identity pawn. Sometimes processes need to know each other's identity and started independently of each other. Allow that mechanism for processes to be given name so that these names can be used as identities instead of PIDs. This is done by using register built-in function. Register some item PID， 然后应该是 some item 就用作这个标示，然后 rask pin 这个相同人旁。Register pawn spur both spell the pawn process that give it the name pawn. Message can be sent by to pawn by. Pin 2 now becomes pin 1 as the argument pawn ID is not needed. Just pawn. Distributed programming. Different computers. First, a few things are needed to set up to get this to work. The distributed erlang implementation provides a very basic authentication mechanism to prevent unintentional access to the system on another computer. Other systems which talk to each other must have the same magic cookie. The easiest way to achieve this is by having a file called .erlang.cookie in your home directory. On all machines on which you are going to run other system communication with each other. 最简单的办法就是弄这样的文件 erlang.cookie in your home directory， 在所有的想跑 erlang system 的机器上。Windows system home directory is the directory pointed out by the environment variable home. 就要写这样的。在 Linux 上或 Unix 上，可以个 now this create 这个 in the home you get create file called 这个 in the directory you get to after executing the command cd without any argument. The erlang cookie file is to contain a line with the same item. For example, on Linux or Unix, in the list shares cd cat. This is very security. Change mode 400. The change mode makes the cookies only by owner of the file. This is a requirement. 当你设置了这个 erlang 系统之后 that's going to talk each other erlang system. You must give it a name, for example. ERLS name, my name, the system name. We will see more details of this later. If you want to experiment with distributed erlang, but you only have one computer to work on, you can start two separate erlang systems on the same computer, but give them different names. Each erlang system running on a computer is called an erlang node. Note erlang name assumes that all nodes are in the same IP domain, and we can use only the first component of the IP address. 这什么意思？ If we want to use nodes in different domains, we use name instead. but then all IP address must be given in full. Here is a PON example. Let's assume there are two computers called Goleum and Korsken. First, a node is started on Korsken called pin, and then a node on Goleum called PON. Its name pin. Now the PON process on Goleum is started. True. And the pin process on Goleum is started. As shown. Korsken 启动了这个Goleum，启动了这个PON Goleum。那Goleum PON start PON， 然后 Korsken tutor start pin， 然后 pin 的对象是Goleum。Look at the code, you will see PON function itself is unchanged. The following lines work in the same way, which pin. Thus, all PID contains information about where the process executes. So if you know the PID of the process, can be used to send it to a message. This regarding the process is on the same node or on a different node. A different is how messages are sent to a registered process on another node. A tuple registered name, node name is used. Pin registers node name, PON node register name, PON node. In the previous example, pin and PON started from the shell of two separate other nodes. Spark can be used to start. In other nodes, the next example is the pin-PON program yet again, but this time pin is started in another node. 偏旁偏旁 node 偏旁 node 偏。Notice that the output is received on column. This is because the I/O system finds out where the process is being from and sends all output there. Column. A larger example, now for a larger example is messenger. This example only shows the message passing logic. No attempt has been made to provide a nice graphic user interface, although this can also be done in Erlang. This sort of problem can be solved either by use of the facilities in OTP, which also provide methods for updating code on the fly and so on. The first program contains some inadequacies regarding heading of nodes which disappear. These are corrected in a later version of program. The message is set up by a client to connect to a center server and say who and where they are. That's a user does not need to know the name of the Erlang node where another user is located to send file message to Erlang. Message passing can model start server log on log off message client server node message at soup messenger at soup. Change the function below to return the name of the node where the messenger server runs. Server receive from 命令 log on name 或者 log off 还有 message to message log on user new user list 等于 server log on然后 server new user lists log off server log off from name lists. Several user lists. Log off. Message server transfer from to message. List is not is a list server. Start server register the message. Spell message server. User list 是个空的。server log on 的话 ，cat set lists key member name 去 is a list of check is logged on and where else true false from 给 from 发这个信息。消息。给 from 发这个消息。server log off from user key delete server transfer 发一个这样的消息 server trust user command log on name just already log on. Find log off. Fast message. There. Collide. Messenger server node 发这样个消息。Await result. Collide server node. Server node. Client server node. Save. Log off. That to use configure server copy the compiled code message the beam to the directory on each computer where you start earlier. In the following example, using nodes are started on 4 different computers. If you don't hear that much on your network, you can start several nodes on the 3模式 Super C3 First Start it up Now Filter Log on Trans log on Right log on Submit Hello Okay so saved manage Peter the log off go away I'm busy just now try this to Fred有点复杂，之后再慢慢研究。还有稳定性。Several things are wrong with the message example. 比如这个节点 user is logged on goes down without doing log off. User remains the server user but the client disappears. This makes it impossible for the user to log on again, and the server thinks it already is logged on. What happens if the server goes down in the middle of sending a message, leaving the sending client hell forever in the await result function? 弄一个 timeouts。Error heading. Excite. Abnormal. 有点复杂。Records and macros. Records. 大型程式通常划分为一系列的小文件，每个文件中都定义好了接口。HI header files for configuration data. Interface definition between the client and the message. Function for the user interface. Function. While doing so, this message passes an interface between the shell, the message. The client and the server is cleaned up and is defined by using records. Also, macro is introduced. 这是个头文件 server macro server node， 这也是个头文件 record。 这个文件 model user interface export load erlang文件 from the same directory as how the other file in the messenger example manual. 手工引入的 can contain any file or code, but are most often used for record and macro definitions. record is defined as name of record, file name 07, for example, message to name. This is equal to message to message. Creating a record is best by example. Message. Let's message to right. Notice that you don't have to worry about the order or style values. So, macros. Every occurrence of server node in 这个 list, a macro is also used when respond to server process. Model server. This is a standard macro. Is always replaced by the name current mode, that is the mode defined near the start. There are more advantages ways of using macros, for example, parameters. There are ways to put the in other directories. In the messenger example, no assumptions have been made about what the message being sent. It can be any valid error term. 所以 get started 就完了。这样是 record。定了一个红点日，定了一个这个 server node。 server node.用了问号，这个红点子就会被气化掉。这 get started 学完了，然后看这个其他的问答。User guide. System versions. System principles. 看一下这个。December. System principles. Starting the system. The runtime system is starting with command erl. 启动了这个 shell. erl understands a number of command line arguments. Application program can access the value of command line arguments by calling the function. Unit get argument key 或者 unit get arguments. Restarting and stopping system. Runtime system is halt by calling halt 0 或 1 for details. The model unit contains functions restarting, rebooting, and stopping. Restart, reboot, stopping. The runtime system terminal if the other shell is terminated. shell 结束了，然后这个 runtime system 也就结束。我们 restart. Reboot. Reboot 不行，要重新打开。还有 stop， 然后 halt， halt。Boot scripts. Runtime system is starting using a boot script. Contains which code to load, which process to start. How is script runtime using binary version of the script. This binary script has extensions boot. Boot script to use is specified specified by the command line flag boot. erlang boot I have boot script. For example, their boot. 不知道这个后缀能不能用。If no boot script is specified, the default is root bin start. Command line unit debug makes unit write some debug information while interpreting the boot script. For a detailed description of the syntax and content of the boot, see script menu. 看一下。Dive tools. Pen. No dot error. Boot. Start the boot. Start client boot. Start SSL the boot. Default boot scripts 和clean 这个clean 是 load the code for and start the application kernel at std lab. SSL 的话是 load the code for and start the application kernel at std lab at SSL. No dot error 的话 load the code for and starts the application kernel at the lab. Skips loads the file. 第二个了 useful for script and other tools that to behave the same irrespective of user preference. 第二个了Start and start 这两个 to use as default is decided by the user when installing relative to use install. The user is asked, do you want to use a minimum system start instead of SLS start top? If the answer is yes, 就用这个 start clean。否则的话就用 start si used。所以的话我当时选了默认选了 no， 所以就用的 start si sl。A copy of selected boot script is made, named start there, boot and placed in the user-defined boot scripts. 把这个运行切入式error的时候 boot script 可以手动写，建议 生成 from a release resource file. Release resource file using the function set to make script. This requires that the source code is structured as applications according to the OTP design principles. The program does not have to be started in terms of OTP, but can be plain earlier. For more information of the binary boot script names is generated from the boot script file using the function script to boot. Code loading strategy. Early model embedded. 可以切入式或者交互式 Which one is designed by the command model? Default is interactive and extra mode flag. Note, the model properties are as follows. 切入式 model 下所有的代码将在系统启动时跟着 boot script 加载。Code can also be loaded later by explicit order the code server to do so. 交互式下 code is dynamic load when first referenced. When a call to a function in a model is met, and the model is not loaded, the code server searches the code path and loads the model into the system. Initially, the code path consists of current working directory and all object code directory. Under lab, a root is the installation directory of earlier OTP. Directories can be named V version. The code server by default chooses the directory with the highest version number among those which have the same name. The version suffix is optional. If the bin directory exists under a name, this directory is added to the code path. The code path can be extended by the command line flag PA and PZ directory. This direction chooses the head or end of the code path, respectively. The code server or model code contains a number of functions for modifying and checking the search paths. File types. The following file types are defined by erlang OTP. 这个模块的话是 erlang include files hr resource header release resource file application release file app boot script binary boot script configuration file config application upgrade file release upgrade file 看一下 flag install statements. Binary cd-rom. erlang编辑器吧 script type什么呀？防的 design principle function got embodied general info get started installation guide programming example. Reference method. Standard. System. System principles. Tutor. Test. Turn.静态链接库，源代码 ，start。info lab A trunk 字是什么文件呀哎26还有 login Azure information from runtime system log events from OTP behavior by logger, which is part of kernel application. So log event. Creating and upgrading a target system. Target system 指的是 When create a system using erlang OTP, the simplest way is to install erlang OTP somewhere. Install the application-specific code somewhere else. 就是分别安装erlang OTP 和自己的程序代码 and then start the erlang runtime system, making sure the code path included the specific application-specific code. It's often not desirable to use an OTP system as is. A developer can create new erlang OTP compiled applications for the particular purpose, and several original erlang OTP applications can be is relative for the purpose in question. Thus, there is no need to be able to create a new system based on a given erlang system, where dispensable applications are removed and new applications are included. Documentation and source code is irrelevant and is therefore not included in the new system. This chapter is about creating such a system, which is called target system. 所以 target system 那个是专门针对运行应用创建的这个2LTP 相关的系统，很可能把这个文档之类的不相关的内容都删除掉了。The following section deal with target system with different requirements of function. 不同的需求有不同的方法。这个基础的 target system 的话，可以通过运行 erlang 命令脚本启动。简单的 target system 的话，code replacement in runtime can be performed. 嵌入式 target system 的话，还支持日志输出，系统级别的日志输出到文件，还可以启动时自动启动。Here is only consider the case where erlang running on Unix system. Windows 就不考虑。SL application includes the example erlang model target system there, which contains a function for creating and install the target system. This model is used in the following example. 要创建这个简单的 target system 的话，就先创建这个release file. Release file 系统名称，然后个版本，然后包含的库，然后启动。Start from the directory where the resides. Create a target system. Create the function performs the following: read, 然后 from 这些创建了这几个文件，创建了个 TLJZ， 包含这些内容。创建了这个临时目录，创建这个临时目录，解压这个文件，然后删除 erlang 和 start 这些文件，会安装的时候重新创建。然后创建这个文件夹，并把上面这些 plain boot 拷到并 start 的 boot 上，然 后复制这些到bin，创建这个 log， 然后创建这个数字文件，然后重新创建压缩包。安装的话，用这个命令。解压，安装。自动的话，直接用这个命令。系统配置参数 differences from the install script。 创建下一个版本。创建这个 upgrade 文件。升级 target 系统。哎呀，有点复杂了。列出 target 系统。哎呀，真的十分复杂。Upgrade when allow displays has changed.版本 OTP version。 有点复杂。Support complete. This document describes strategy regarding supported release. Complete. 这个整个讲的应该都是erlang。哎呀，有点复杂。后面看懂了再看吧。erlang forums。Design principles.今天就先学习到这儿。实际上把基础的内容学习了，但复杂的内容还是比较多，但后面得慢慢学习。Libraries, programming, effective guided 还得看 reference manner 这个 program 这个仔细的学习一下。这才是真正的文档。Welcome to a complete tutorial. In addition, application groups, basic compile. 这都分了个组 ，database, project， 这是它的 core tools, test, document， 慢慢学。System principles， 这个经学看过了。Design principles user guide overview。Reference manner。今天就学到这儿。